Hello, classmates. My name is Philip Regas, and this is my FOIA project. So, I did my request to the Central Intelligence Agency, and I had to file my FOIA request to the Information and Privacy Coordinator of the Central Intelligence Agency, located in Washington, D.C. So, this is just a simple letter. You know, they actually had a sample of a letter, which I pretty much used all the content of that sample letter. I just inserted what I was requesting. So, dear coordinator, under the Freedom of Information Act, 5 U.S.C. subsection 552, I am requesting information or records on Harvey Lee Oswald's involvement in the shooting of President John F. Kennedy, specifically on the day of November 22nd, 1963. If there are any fees for searching, for reviewing, or copying the records, please notify me for processing if the amount exceeds $10. If you deny all or any parts of this request, please cite each specific exemption you think justifies your refusal to release the information and notify me of appeal procedures under the law. I should edit out stuff like that. Oh well. And this is the reply. For some reason, my Adobe Reader is messed up. It's not working. This just happened, so I kind of gotta try to zoom this in here. Alright, so they replied within about a week. And Mr. Philip Regas, on February 7th, 2020, the Office of the Information and Privacy Coordinator received your request and information on the death of JFK. Your request was assigned to a reference number, as you can see up here, up top, right here. So please use the number when corresponding so that we can identify it easily. I didn't need to do any of that because, as you'll see down below, you'll see why. Please be advised that CIA records reviewed and released pursuant to the President John F. Kennedy Assassination Records Collection Act of 1982. They were reviewed under the guidelines of that statute, so there's an actual statute on records about the assassination of John F. Kennedy. And it sets forth narrower grounds in the FOIA under which information may be withheld from public disclosure. As a result, records reviewed and released under the JFK Act represent the most extensive disclosure of such information permitted by law. CIA's JFK Act collection records are available from the National Archives and Records Administration. And the agency, they transfer these records to NARA in compliance with that act. They said if I want any information on it, I got to submit my request to NARA. And I didn't need to do that because everything can be searched electronically, as you see down here. Hopefully you can see, in addition to the records of CIA, FBI, and numerous other executive branch agencies and offices, the collection contains the records of relevant congressional committees, related cases, court cases, and records private entities donated. So it's collection from, like, they say it's over 30 different U.S. government offices. There's over 5 million pages of data, information available through NARA about the JFK assassination, which is a lot. And you can go down there and you can search it too. It's pretty cool. So it says if it doesn't satisfy my request, which it did, we can search the CIA originated records on the death of JFK. We will. And they said they will hold my request for 45 days from the date of the letter, pending my response. So that's pretty much, that is my FOIA project in a nutshell. I was satisfied. They took care of me. They told me exactly where to go, what to do, and how to get there. They did everything but hold my hand. So thank you guys. Hope everyone is safe and healthy and well.